And the race is on. Dr. Choice from the outside is bahala na. It's Dr. Choice bahala na. JD Express has it coming. Also rushing up Mr. Saber running in fifth alongside is Vermont. As it coming. Gold Spear running in second. And on the outside is bahala na. Vermont on the further outside, rounding the far turn, as it coming by some 2 lines, bahala na, running in second, Vermont, Gold Spear, Mr. Saber, Dr. Choice running in 6th by the Jada Express Escabo as they race the Falag corner, as it coming, bahala na in the middle, Vermont alongside Dr. Choice, down on the inside, Mr. Saber, and nearing the finish line, bahala na, racing away by some 4 lines, followed by Vermont, Dr. Choice as it coming, and finally, bahala na, Vermont, Dr. Choice has it coming, Mr. Saber, and for your super sa is Escapo.
Talaga.